Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. Using only the retouch tools in Pixlr X, I'm going to show you how to easily retouch skin and turn your photo from this to this. Okay, let's start. With your photo ready, click on the Arrange tool and select Duplicate. What this does is that it allows me to work on the duplicated layer while preserving the original photo. Alright, now for the Retouch tool. I'll use the Heal and Repair tool to reduce pigmentation on the face, with a setting for the method set to patch. For better control, work with a brush size that's just right for small spots. Once done, check comparisons with the visibility tool, located right here. Let's move on to the clone stamp. Source allows me to sample a section of the photo and then replace other areas with it. A good tip is to use a low brush transparency to help blend the tones better. To begin, lighten this section under the eyes. Then, move on to the face following its contours. So I'll blend here, and here, and right here. Think of it like applying makeup. Okay, I'm happy with how it looks for now. Let's brighten up the eyes using the Sharpen tool. Adjust the brush size, softness and strength, and then paint over the eyes. I'm going to make them stand out more using the Dodge tool on Lighten mode. It's important not to heavily emphasize on the sharpening and dodging to achieve a more natural look in your photo. Almost done. I'll enhance the features a bit more with the Burn tool, which will darken the shadows on her cheekbone and jawline. Change the mode to Darken and Range to Mid. Adjust the brush settings and start painting. Now, for the finale, I'll change the mode to Lighten again and add highlights to brighten the skin. It's easy to go overboard during dodging and burning, so start light and adjust as you go. Now, this is about right. Turn the visibility off and on to compare the results. And that's all there is to it. How easy was that? Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe.